Guys, it is less than a month to the 2023 Paratus Namibian Cycle Classic. It's an amazing time of the year. The weather's great. It's almost summer already, even though it should be spring. And we're excited to be hosting you guys. We've got on the 7th and the 8th of October. We've got the mountain bike race on the Saturday. We've got the Kiddies Classic on the Saturday afternoon. And then on Sunday, of course, it's all about the road race. And the Cycle Classic really, it's been around for a long, long time. 20 plus years. It is one of the mainstays on the Namibian cycling calendar. But there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. And I want to talk a little bit about why Paratus is involved here. So Paratus is a leading telecommunications provider in Namibia and in Africa, and they have a vision for the continent. They believe that education is the way forward, and so they've partnered with Rotary on this event. And last year's event alone, that was the first time on board, but last year's event alone raised 180,000 Namibian dollars to go towards various education projects that the Rotary Club is involved in. So this is really, really important. This is far more than just a bike race. When you get involved, you're also doing something for the upliftment of the Namibian community at large and for education at large. So it's a really, really important thing. I want you guys to get involved. If you go to the various websites, Paratus website, the Rotary website, the Namibian website, those are our main sponsors. If you go to the Facebook pages, you'll find the links there to enter. The entries are open. It's going to be a great, great day of adventure. The mountain biking, as I said, is on Saturday. The Kiddies Classic is on Saturday afternoon, and that's always a great way for the family to turn out. And then on Sunday, it's all about the road racing. And traditionally, the event started as a road race. It is the event where many of Namibia's top cyclists have cut their teeth. They've all stood on the podium at some point. So as I said, this is far more than just a cycling event. This is about uplifting the community. It's about raising funds for really, really important educational projects that Paratus and the Namibian and Rotary are tied in with together. We're going to be talking to you guys over the next couple of weeks and hopefully getting you excited. But for the moment, if you haven't entered yet, log on to one of those Facebook pages, find the social media links and get entered.